Once again, the election of Vietnam is people elect for the parliament members, and the parliament members elect for the higher position. And from now on, there are different embassies. Also, some of the small government office. Like to the left side now is the Ministry of Foreign Affairs.
Parang Menjola na, pinaka-Menjola nila sa...
May mga communist talaga din dito. Ayan o. Yung tatak ng pula. Communist, government. Yan. Ang daming kapehan. Embassy nila. Kape. Kape. Daming kape. Kahit tangalan dapat may nagkakape.
Walang plug-in.
Cute, no? Local.
Dilaw.
Ano ba kulay yan?
Mustard.
Mustard color.
Mustard. Yellow mustard. Parang mustard.
Ladies and gentlemen, to the left-hand side, a bit more in the front, we're going to see the flat tower of Hanoi. Was a construction in 1831. This one. The flat tower. It was a watchtower of Hanoi at the time. But of course nowadays with the many big buildings, this one is now very small. The statue of the right-hand side is Lenin, one of the very great communist leader of the world.
Communist of the world.
Ganyan tatak ng komunista eh. Ayun o. Kaya patabi ng mga may mga VIP.
Kasi dito dati.
Ito, isa ka to.
According to the law, the very new law, the train street coffee is prohibited for us, but we will try to pass by very slowly. Please prepare your camera. We are going to pass by the train street.
Okay.
Here.